Shokun. Welcome to Igor's Dojo, the training ground for honing your Japanese language skills. The topic of today's video is the drill of the particles wa and ga, and the short review of them as well as of their most important functions. This is also the very first Dojo Drill video, so I will be talking a little bit more as in how to use them best and what to expect from them in the future. Here's the brief summary of the particles as you can see in this opening section. On the left side of this illustration, the most frequent usages of the particles are displayed, and on the right I have given a construction pattern or how they appear in the sentence. Now, as far as the main usage goes, the primary use of wa is to mark the topic of a sentence, and its secondary uses are to form compounds, so to speak, with other particles like towa, nova, niwa, and etc., to take part in the formation of negation and to present contrast between two topics in a complex sentence. Unlike wa, ga is used as an exclusive subject marker found in like and hate expressions as a key element, and it's likewise important in the expressions of needs and wishes. Finally, ga is used to demonstrate the ability of being able to do something, being equivalent to the English can. Now, this vocabulary section is a bit shorter than in dojo practice videos because the aim of the dojo drill videos is different. In dojo drills, I will provide you with additional examples and a review of the most important aspects of the dojo practice video topic, where the topic in question has been covered in depth, like I have made a brief summary of wa and ga in the previous section. Once again, you are free to make a brief study of the words by pausing the video, or you can return to this section once the video is over to study them at length. Now, if you are all set up, I would like to move to our first drill set with wa. Since this is the first drill video, I will give you a recommendation regarding the most effective usage of them. In the drill sets, I will give you a set of sentences and their Romaji transcription that I will read out without comment. Your task will be to translate them to the best of your ability and to determine the usage of the particle in each case. You can pause the video, of course, to do this, or if you feel super confident in your translation skills that you can translate them as I read them, you can wait for the following section where I will list the translations and the particle use. Now, are you ready? Let's begin with the first set, and don't worry, these will not be difficult. I will read each sentence twice. パリはフランスの首都です。パリはフランスの首都です。The second. 吉田さんの仕事は難しいです。吉田さんの仕事は難しいです。The third. 私のパソコンは新しくないです。私のパソコンは新しくないです。The fourth. これは私の会社ではありません。これは私の会社ではありません。The fifth. その高い建物は銀行ではありません。その高い建物は銀行ではありません。And the sixth. この着物は高くないです。この着物は高くないです。And once again the whole list. パリはフランスの首都です。吉田さんの仕事は難しいです。私のパソコンは新しくないです。これは私の会社ではありません。その高い建物は銀行ではありません。この着物は高くないです。And here are the translations and the correct results. Paris is the capital of France. Here we have topic marking. Second, Mr. Yoshida's job is difficult. Once again, topic. Third, my PC is not new. Once again, topic. The fourth, this is not my company. Negation marking. Fifth, that tall building is not the bank. Negation marking. This kimono is not expensive. And once again, negation marking. Now, we will be moving on to the combination of wa and ga. この自動車は速いですが、その自動車は遅いです。Once again, この自動車は速いですが、その自動車は遅いです。Second sentence. 私のパソコンはとても古いですが、彼のパソコンは新しいです。Once again, 私のパソコンはとても古いですが、彼のパソコンは新しいです。And the third and the fourth sentence. 山田さんは古いお寺が好きですが、近代的な建物が嫌いです。山田さんは古いお寺が好きですが、近代的な建物が嫌いです。And the fourth sentence. 小林さんは漫画が好きですが、吉田さんはアニメが好きです。Again, 小林さんは漫画が好きですが、吉田さんはアニメが好きです。And the translations. The first, this car is fast, but that car is slow. Here we have contrast. The second, my PC is really old, but his PC is new. Contrast. The third, Mr. Yamada likes old temples, but hates modern buildings. Contrast, as well as likes and dislikes marking. And the fourth, Mr. Kobayashi likes manga, but Mr. Yoshida likes anime. Once again, contrast as well as likes and dislikes. And finally, we have moved to our final drill set, in which we will encounter both wa and ga. The first sentence. 昨日は風が吹きました。昨日は風が吹きました。The second. 樋口さんは韓国語が話せません。樋口さんは韓国語が話せません。Third. 小林さんは本が翻訳できません。小林さんは本が翻訳できません。The fourth. 山田さんは新しい背広が欲しいです。山田さんは新しい背広が欲しいです。The fifth. 私は時が必要です。私は時が必要です。The sixth. 彼は科学に助けが必要です。彼は科学に助けが必要です。And the seventh. 田中さんは面白い漫画が欲しいです。田中さんは面白い漫画が欲しいです。Once again, the entire list. 昨日は風が吹きました。樋口さんは韓国語が話せません。小林さんは本が翻訳できません。山田さんは新しい背広が欲しいです。私は時が必要です。彼は科学に助けが必要です。田中さんは面白い漫画が欲しいです。And finally, we have the translations. The first sentence. Yesterday the wind blew. We have topic. plus subject marking. Mr. Higuchi cannot speak Korean, ability marking. Mr. Kobayashi cannot translate the book, once again ability. Mr. Yamada wants a new suit, desire marking. I need time, obviously, need marking. He needs help in chemistry, need marking. Mr. Tanaka wants an interesting manga, desire marking. Otsukare-sama deshita, Shokun. I hope that you had fun with our first Dojo Drill video, since it is quite different from the standard fare, mostly because it is meant to serve as a practice and review aid, thus being shorter than my typical videos. The format of the Dojo Drill videos will likely frequently change depending on the topic we cover, but I personally think that it is important to review what we have covered from time to time. That is why these shorter videos exist, on top of them being a supplement to the dojo practice videos. In case you have missed the main video regarding these two particles alongside mo and no, I will be putting the link on the screen as well as in the description below. Shokun, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you next time in the dojo. Sayonara!